Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Let's unbox these few things which I bought them from Temu. Like guys, these things are from Temu and they were super affordable. So the first thing which I bought is this little cute basket. Like it's so cute, and it went for like €8. You can able to put like your chargers inside. And then the second thing which I bought is this saving that you can able to save your rice or anything like vegetables. Yeah. So I also bought this cute wooden beads garland that you can able to put it as a decoration in your living room especially, or also in your bedroom. And then the fourth thing about these safety corners, because I have a coffee table but it's a glass one, so I tend to hit myself all the time, so it's so handy to have these safety corners. And then the fifth thing I bought is this silicone corset. I really regret guys because I only bought one. Oh my goodness, like you just place your cup on top. It's super cute. And I know most of you guys will be surprised because Temu sells clothes, guys. They're super affordable, and then the material of the quality is super good. And I also bought this ceramic jewelry tray. Like it's super cute, guys. How cute is this? Oh my god. And then I also bought these shower caps. You can use them as a shower cap, or I also use them often in my kitchen to cover something. Moving on with our second bag, Temu is so addictive, guys. So I bought this digital scale. I find it so handy, and it gives approximate kg, like because I'm traveling a lot. And then I also bought this traveling water bottle. We call it Arab shower because most of women, we prefer cleaning ourselves with water, then afterwards we go and use the tissue. And then I bought this cleaning machine to clean my makeup brush. I was doubting it, but guys, it's so handy and it's super cheap. It went for like €6. And then I bought this curtain blackout for my living room because I have too much light, but it was so big, so I was supposed to return it, but Temu gave me for free. Yippee! And then lastly, I bought these casual printed pants suits. Oh my god, like it was super cute. It was for like €35, but then I got discount and I got it for 25, and that's what I bought in Temu. And guys, you need to try out because things are super cheap and the quality is also good. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia. See you next time. Bye bye.